dear clients, this is Sue from Trust Engineering. Today, let me introduce our house-styling product. Okay, now let's start from the bottom. This is the poster base, which connected with front column and rear column with M8 screws. The bottom plate with the mat blocks and screw house depends on your requirement. I want to emphasize all the screws, nuts, washers used in this bracket are all made of stainless steel 304. And this is the main beam, which connected with front and rear column, which use the edge connector, fixed with M10 screws and M8 T-bolt. This is the rail which connected with the main beam with end blocks on two sides. This front bracket can be made into waterproof types and ordinary types. If it is ordinary, we just put the panel on the rail and fix it with end clamps and mid clamps. If it is waterproof type, we need to put the waterproof gutter on the rail and then put the panel on the waterproof gutter and fix it with the clamps. In short, we can support customization and design drawings according to your requirements. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.